Hi there everyone, this is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. In this tutorial video, I will discuss to you guys on how to remove selected page number in your Microsoft Word document. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button. Click share so that you can share this video tutorial to others. Leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and if you are new with this channel, please click the subscribe button. Thank you very much for the support. So let's get started. I'm using Microsoft Word 2016 to demonstrate. So we have here 5 pages. So we have here page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, page 5. There are some instances that you are required to remove page number on a specific page. A good example of this is chapters in your thesis, capstone, documents, or any documents that may require you to remove a certain page. There are some tools in Microsoft Word, but this technique that is being shared to me by my friend is quite very easy and very simple to follow. Let's say, for example, I want to remove the page number in page 3 of this document. What I will do is to go to Insert, click Shapes, select any shape that you want. In my case, I'm using this rectangle, and then draw a rectangle here. To hide the number, right click, go to Format, go to Fill, No Fill, go to Outline, and then click No Outline. Fill, let's say white. Okay, as you can see, the number 3 is already page number 3 is already hide by our shape rectangle. That's easy. So if you want to hide page number 5, what you can do is just to copy this shape. Ctrl C, Ctrl X, and then Ctrl V. Okay, we have some problem here, but the best thing that you can do if you're gonna do it is to draw again the shape. Go to Insert, Shapes, select rectangle, and draw here. Right click, select Fill White, go to Outline, No Outline. So very simple. We have already covered page number 5 and page number 3 right here. So when we print, the page number 3 and 5, it is already covered by our shape that has a color of white. So that's it, guys. That is the way how you hide selected page numbers in your document using Microsoft Word. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. I hope that you have learned something new in this technique and tricks that I shared with you on how to remove selected pages using Microsoft Word in your document. Before you end, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada, says until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.